3848. No, it's 3802. Oh, it's really raining out. Oh my god, it's so wet. There's so many cars. I know! That's the part that sucks.
It has to be a red light.
Yeah, no, it's a green light, but look at the people. There's a lot of people. That's not why. If there was...
Red light.
Now it's a red light. There's a yellow light, but now it's red. My camera's so wet right now.
Yeah, put it back in because...
Yeah, that's true.
Hurry up though, because I'm cold and I want to go.
Oh no. Sounds like Mr. Gus. when he's drinking, it's like you know, it's like, and then it sounds like Mr. Gus drinking something like a lemonade or something like that. Now it's green. It's green light. Door's about to close. I hope. Close for crying out loud.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know. Cold? No, my hands aren't cold. Earlier it was cold. Oh, are we having a meet? No, we're not. I heard a bell.
Can't stay there anymore, Robert. I'm freezing.
It's 3802. Oh, we just saw that. We just saw 3802.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we just saw 3802. No, they can't see us.
Yeah.
I know, it's not, yeah. You can try to make them blow the horn, but they won't do it. Green Line's only blew the horn once. Commuter rail, you know, mostly you should make them blow the horn for commuter rail. Sometimes Red Line. I remember they did it for me, and I didn't even make them do it. It just went hang hang. I'm like, huh? It sounded so weird. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, it's 2 cars, yeah.
Okay.
What number is that?